got our aluminum, we got our magnets, and we have our platters. So let's do some math here. So we have about 13 ounces of aluminum. Now I usually get about 50 cents a pound. So we got 41 cents of aluminum. We got the 82 cents for the board. So already we're at more than the 106 if we separate the hard drive and the board itself. I think I said I was going to put these for 20 cents. So we're already at $1.40. And now, like I said, board sort takes the platters. And we have about 1.6 worth of platters. And the hard drive platters, they pay 25 cents a pound. So we're at 143, so 1.6 ounces. So about almost 3 cents worth. But I'm pretty sure people buy these still on eBay. I haven't checked in a long time. At the time, I remember they used to pay quite a bit. But we're just going with board sort now. And again, in the description, I'll check out what they go for and give you guys an update. So there you go, 2.5 cents. Copper bearing motor, I don't get much for that either. I think 18 cents. So again, about 2 cents. Let's see what the total is going to be. So by taking everything apart, obviously not including the values of eBay for the platters and the magnets, taking apart the hard drive completely would give you about $1.50, more or less. Taking apart just the hard drive and the board would give you $1.06, and to just send the hard drive as is, you'd get about 65 cents. So that's what I have now. So let's